What's up, everybody? It's me. I know it's been so many years since I posted on this channel. Thank you to everyone who hasn't unfollowed me. I appreciate it. I'm so excited to be making another video. I've had so many people asking me to make beginner-friendly line dances, and I really think we need more of that, so I'm going to do that starting now. And I promise if you hit all the buttons that you need to hit, I will keep making videos. So I'm actually here at EDC 2025 this weekend at beautiful Camp EDC. Look at it. I can't get enough of it. I've got some free time, so I figured let's make a video. So let's just go for it. I'm going to teach you all the dance called the two-step line dance. Like I said, beginner friendly. The most important thing about line dancing is to have fun. Follow the instructions, and the good thing is you can always press rewind. Watch this video as many times as you need to. And remember, just like they say here at EDC, you are the headliner. So make it your own. Let's get started. We're going to start with our weight on our left foot, okay? We need to start doing stuff with this right foot. This is your right foot, for those of you that don't know, okay? So we're going to start with 2 side steps to the right. Ready? We're going to take it to the right together, then again, right. For this next step, we're going to do 2 steps, left, right, okay? So the way it's going to look is right, together, right, 2 steps, okay? Left, right. Again, that's right, together, right, left, right. Then we're going to do the same thing the other way. That looks like this. Left, together, left, 2 steps, okay? Let's try to put those 2 together. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps, left, together, left, 2 steps. One more time. I knew you needed one more time. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps, left, together, left, 2 steps. Moving on. We're going to kick, ball, change. For those of you that are not dancers, that means nothing to you. All you have to worry about is kick with the right foot, step onto the right foot, and step onto the left foot. Okay? It's supposed to be kick, ball of the right foot, change your weight onto your left foot. But simplify it, just think of it as kick, right, left. And we're going to do that twice. So it's going to look like this. Kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Let's see if we can put that all together from the top, starting with the steps to the right. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Kick, right, left, Moving on. Don't worry, we'll practice more all together. But now we're going to do a little skating motion. You've been on roller skates, rollerblades before, right? Most of us. So all you're going to do is take your knees out and skate along the floor. Starting with the right foot, you're doing it 4 times. It's going to look like this. Skate, 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 skate. Once again, that's right, left, right, left. Except at the end of that, we're going to have to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder and end up facing this wall. So it's going to look like this. Skate, skate, skate. Then we switch on this last step. You'll even hear it in the music. It says grind, 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 switch. Okay? So taking it to the right, all together. That's the whole dance, by the way. So that's exciting. So let's start it all together, starting from the top. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Kick, right, left. Kick, right, left. Then we skate, 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 and switch. We made it past the first wall. Now we're facing this way, all together from the top. Let's just go for it. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Now we kick, right, left, and skate, 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 switch. If you did this correctly, you should now be facing away from the TV or the computer or whatever you're watching me on. I trust you. Stay facing away from me. You don't need to see me. I know that you got this. Let's see if we can do 2 walls in a row, okay? Starting going to the right. Ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Kick, right, left, and skate, skate, skate. Now we switch. There you are. Together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Kick, right, left, and skate, 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 switch. How'd you do? I think you did awesome. If you didn't, it's your lucky day because we're going to practice one more time. We're going to do all 4 walls together. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. Right, together, right, 2 steps. Left, together, left, 2 steps. Kick, right, left, and skate, 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 switch, right, together, right, 2 steps, left, together, left, 2 steps, kick right, left, skate, 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 keep it going, right, together, right, 2 steps, left, together, left, 2 steps, kick right, left, and skate, 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 switch, finish it out. 2 steps, left, together, left, 2 steps, kick right, left, and skate, 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 switch. That's the whole dance. That is all 4 walls. Let's put it to music. Don't forget to smile. Don't look stressed. That defeats the whole purpose of dancing. Let's put some music on and do it all together. Here we go.